Ladies and gentlemen of the natural hair care jury, this video is going to be a quick summary of my experience with Honey's Handmade during Black Friday 2019. Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. In video number 54, I explained how it took 23 days to receive my Honey's Handmade order. It was obviously a very large order, but the box did come extremely damaged, as you see here. There were a few products missing from my order, and there were several that were damaged. But after going through and wiping down all of the jars and seeing what's what, I decided just to ask for 3 replacement products and then the ones that were missing. I sent Honey's Handmade a very detailed email explaining my situation with the missing products and then the products where there were either consistency issues or the container was damaged or where the product spilled out. And again, as far as the products where some of it spilled, I only picked the worst, the ones that had spilled the most product, because there were about, I think it was 8 or 9 products total, where it was obvious that product had spilled out of the jar and into the box. But after I wiped them down and took a second look, like I said, these were just the most severe. These are just images of my shipping receipt that shows how the product spilled inside the box. They were all over the packing peanuts, all over the inside of the box, and again, like I said, all over the receipts. Due to the massive purchase at Honey's Handmade, instead of describing each product, I decided to give you this montage clip so you could see everything that I ordered, minus what was missing from the original package. Honey's Handmade had a tiered sale over the Black Friday through Cyber Monday weekend, but it started off at 65% off, and that's when I got in on the sale. I am not sure what happened, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. I believe my finger got stuck on the add to cart button, and I found myself at one point just like going down and just adding to cart like almost every item, every hair product item, like on the website. I know that this is just past ridiculous, I understand, but this is what I did. This is what you do when you are a hair product connoisseur. I think I bought almost every product on the website. This was actually my second purchase from Honey's Handmade. My first purchase was the Melba's Kitchen collection, of which I still have not tried any products because I have so many. The Melba's Kitchen collection is in rotation, and I actually bought 2 of the Melba's Kitchen products again in this order, which is not what I meant to do, but I did. I am really looking forward to using these products. I've heard such great things about them. These next few images are where I try to group the products together as far as their wash day category. I didn't see where there was a particular line for most of the products. There were a few products that were labeled similarly or had similar ingredients or look like they belong to a line, and when I do eventually use the products, those that seem like they are part of a collection, I will try to use them together. But I think pretty much for the most part it's gonna be a mix and match when I get to trying the Honey's Handmade products, and that's cool. This is the package that I received of the missing items from the original order. As you can see, it's in much better shape than the original large box. I did get the 3 products, and then they sent the lid that was originally meant for the bentonite clay, but I had to emphasize that it wasn't just the lid that was cracked, but the safety seal was also punctured and some of the product spilled out as well. Overall, I would say my experience with Honey's Handmade has been eventful. If I ever order from them again, it will definitely not be such a large order. I think that probably contributed to the issues that I had with the original order and actually having it corrected. There is one more package on the way to replace the items I mentioned in the beginning of the video. However, according to the email, it looks like I'm going to get a replacement for the bentonite clay mask and the pumpkin butter co-wash, but not the whipped vanilla butter. Instead, they included, I think, 1 or 2 other duplicates of items I had previously ordered, but I'm not gonna fuss. I am still very excited to try all of these products, so please stay tuned. They'll be up in rotation sometime in 2020.